Rekha Patel on the line from Gujarat. Go ahead, ma'am. What's your query?
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I've got 200 shares of Siemens India.
Okay.
Bought in 1977 at the public issue, and
Okay.
now it is 10,530 number of shares. Should I sell or hold?
All right. Let me take that to Gaurang. Gaurang, she's held them for a period of 40 years. And 10 shares has now become 10,500 shares. 200 shares, sorry, has become 10,500 shares. Sitting on exceptional returns on this one. What is the strategy that you would advise her now? She's 66 years old.
Well, this is the beauty of buying a share and holding for a long time. And you just see the way your investment has grown multifolds. And I don't think any other asset class would have given the kind of return that she's got from this particular investment. Having said that, we remain positive on Siemens, but it's a 10 rupee investment. 200 shares have become 10,000 shares. If she wants to diversify, which I would humbly request her, because I think keeping your investment in one stock at current levels would be attracting a little bit of, risk in terms of non-diversification. So diversify is what I would request her. And if she wants to sell some quantity and get into some sectors that we are extremely positive on, FMCG, Godrej Consumer Products and Emami, I would recommend as a diversified play. M&M and Maruti will be the investment idea in the autos. HDFC Bank Limited and Axis Bank would be the private sector frontline large cap names, metals, Vedanta, Tata Steel would be the preferred idea. Cement, Ramco Cement and Ultratech would be the recommendation. So, book profits, you have stayed enough. The stock has given multiple X returns. It is time to now book some profits and diversify and have a stronger diversified portfolio rather than keeping your investment in one single sector and stock.
If the calculation I have in front of me is correct, then ma'am, your 2,000 rupees invested in 1977 is a little over 1 crore 15 lakh today, and that is clearly not a small amount. So even if you book half the profit here and then diversify into some of the stocks that Gaurang's mentioned, you could be looking at exponentially increasing your wealth more than what you already have created from a Siemens. But congratulations to you for holding on to something like this for 40 years, picking a winner at the right time, and of course now sitting on those gains.
How long should I hold?
So as Gaurang said, ma'am, I think you can go ahead and book at least half the profit right now and then diversify and then continue to hold. Gaurang, if she does choose to hold some part of the Siemens stocks, what would be the time horizon that she should keep in mind?
So I would say that at least book maybe 50-60% of your current holding in Siemens. Balance you can stay invested. And like I mentioned, cap goods engineering, Dipanshu is just likely to pick up now because it has been underperforming. And now the best part, Dipanshu, is that the parent company of Siemens, which is Siemens AG, has got fantastic confidence on the Indian counterpart and has been very supportive in terms of innovation and R&D and fund support. 1250, 1300 thereabouts, as and when the stock reaches of Siemens, from whatever you sold 50%, 60% and the balance 40 or 50% remains, at 1250, 1300, I would advise you to further sell maybe 25-30%. And again, I would request you to call BTVI and we will interact at that point of time and I'll give you much more investment ideas. But as of now, book at least 50%, stay invested in 50%, balance to the levels of 1250, 1300. And at that point of time, again, we will have a relook when we call back on call BTVI.
All right, there you go, Ms. Patel. A staggered exit, that's the strategy that Gaurang has given you. 50% book out now, another 25% perhaps at the 1250, 1300 level. And of course, do, get back to us and we can continue to give you some ideas after the kind of gains that you've already made in Siemens. Let's get our next